Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today in sunny London, we're going to show you how to make Pla Boran. Now Pla Boran is one of my favourite fish dishes, and Boran just translates as traditional or old style. So this is a dish that will really knock your socks off. It's full of flavour, textures, it's great. You're going to love it. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around. So let's go through the ingredients. So we've got 800 gram sea bass, got some self-raising flour just to coat it, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 15 chilies chopped up, got 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of chili oil, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 2 stems of mint, quarter of a white onion, quarter red pepper, quarter green pepper, half a celery stalk, 2 shallots, 4 stems of lemongrass sliced very thinly, about 6 or 7 kaffir lime leaves sliced thinly, and that's everything. Right guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. We certainly enjoyed that. It was a really good, spicy, flavoursome dish. And it can be so easily done at home. You don't need to get a big fish. You could use Coley chunk or any smaller fish. But it's better without a thick breadcrumb coating. Just maybe a little bit of flour just to crisp it up like how we did it. Yeah, try it out. Don't be afraid to go all out with the flavour and the chili on this one. So we'll see you next week. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. Just keep doing what you're doing. I will try and do the same. So take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. So we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.